from Biker outside again. Like, share, comment, subscribe, my friend. This is the channel to tell your friends. So yeah, taking a little ride. Why not? Beautiful day. Smell that air. Yeah. Not too good still. But it's a nice bright day. It's a nice day to test out this camera again, man. At 60 frames per second. Let me know what you think of the footage, guys. Must say, I can't lie, I'm absolutely starving. I need some food. But I don't know where I'm going to get something to eat from now. It's not even 12 o'clock. Really, I should just find my yard and find something to eat. Sometimes when you're outside, you're just outside. Look at this guy. Speaking of trying out that Westmoreland English and Caribbean takeaway, them clothes. The way she just grazed that car, you know. Community barbershop, big up. Man like Tyler. I remember in that shop, man. Every Sunday, every 2 weeks on a Sunday, man. I used to forward over there. There's only two brothers that could cut my hair still. Tyler and Leroy. You get me? I think Leroy's got another shop now. I think it's called Universal Barbers. Big them up still. I must check in there one of the days. So right now we're in Lozells. I remember someone from London, yeah. I remember her saying, what did she say now? She says, oh, Lozells. I've been to Birmingham, I've been to Lozells. I'm like, Lozells? What is Lozells? Lozells, you know. It's Lozells, man. I'll tell you something, yeah. On camera, Birmingham is looking crazy with the rubbish. So I don't know what's happening there, but mate, it's crazy. It's crazy. Rubbish everywhere, man. And imagine the council tax ain't going down, you know. Council tax is going up. Services is going down. I don't really understand it. It's crazy. Let me go to Russell's and grab a one patty. belly full now. Aye. So the chips and gravy was pang. Patties, respectfully, they're not even in the top 5. Pardon. But yeah, the actual fries and the gravy was banging still. Thank you. Hey, hey. You know when your belly's full, yeah, and your belly's on the raw tank. Hey, 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 hey. So yeah, as I said before guys in the last videos, I was literally just testing out the camera with these settings. 60 frames per second, 1/120 shutter speed, so you double it. Sharpness on 0, the ISO 100 to 400, I think it was. So yeah, just let me know how it seems, man. Let me know. But yeah, that's the end of this little segment. My belly's full. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And just as I said, let's try and get these numbers up, man. Because trust me, the stuff I want to do, man. But yo, y'all have to let me know that you're locked in, man, and you're supporting the thing. You get me? But to be honest, I'll just do it anyway, man. I would just do it anyway, car. It's actually no skin off my nose, to be fair. I love coming out on the bike as much as I can, so you don't even make no difference. So anyway, we out.